Fam, you won't believe what is happening in the Ndebele royal family. The Ndebele queen has been kicked out of the royal headquarters apparently. It is said that she's now living at some student accommodation. Let's get into this. Hey fam, how you doing? So according to an insider in the royal family that has spoken with Simoja, it is said that Queen Sekgothadi Mabena has been living in a dump in Pretoria for almost 2 months now. She was kicked out of the royal house apparently, and she has been squatting with students in Pretoria at a dump. The place has no water or proper sanitation. She is struggling and hustles even to get food to eat. The insider also went on to tell the outlet that the reason why the queen was kicked out is due to alleged fertility issues. The queen is in her early 30s, whereas the king himself is in his 60s, and she does not have any child by His Highness. But the way she's been treated is disappointing to say the least. She's not living like royalty at all. The state of the place is not something one would want for anyone, the source further added. So if you don't remember, the two got married in 2019. Queen Sekgothadi was born in Lesotho, and she was married when she was 26, if I'm not mistaken, and the royal family has not responded to these queries. This is really sad, hey? But hey, let's do take all of this to the comment section and continue this conversation. Also, do remember to like the videos, subscribe, share. Until next time, bye, and thank you for watching.